Today we're going to be traveling back to the world of Japan, back in the time period of Imperial Japan in the 1910s and the 1920s. We're going to see the world as it was captured by one of the earliest film recordings in Japan. And we're going to see how the world itself was displayed back in the time period of the early 20th century. It's really quite remarkable because the type of metropolitan city that we see Japan today, which is completely filled with cars and people walking all around, has been replaced with traditional Japanese clothing and rickshaws going out through the entire city. However, this colorized footage allows us to go back in time. It allows us to see what type of people, it allows us to see what was going through their eyes during this time period. Now with hindsight, we know exactly what was going to happen to Japan in a few decades. And we know exactly the type of rebuilding and restructuring that would take place in Japan. However, during this period of time, we can only imagine the type of hopes and the type of future these people thought that they were going to have. So let's travel back in time to Japan in the 1910s and the 1920s. Enjoy.